How to create TextMe app account, TextMe sign up on Android. If you want to create a TextMe app account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the TextMe application. Once you launch the TextMe app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Tap on the Get Started button from the bottom. Now there are many ways to create a TextMe account. You can use your Facebook account to link them or Google account as well, but you can log in or sign up using an independent email. So, in the email address section, simply enter the email address that you would like to use for your TextMe account and tap on Continue. After that, it will ask you to simply choose a password, and after you enter your password, you can simply choose your age, and after that, you can simply select your identity. Then after that, once you create your password, so let me go ahead and do that. So once I have created my password as well, tap on the create button. It will see it says creating your account. So on the next page, it will ask you to verify this CAPTCHA. Just verify the CAPTCHA, and once you've done that, your TextMe account will be successfully created. You can choose to save your password or you can choose to never save it, but once done, you can see that we have successfully created a TextMe account. Now you can choose to get a new number or do whatever else it is you prefer. That's all it takes for you to create a TextMe account. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.